Hey there, friends. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the world of ideal couples tips, and we'll be focusing on how to become a perfect duo for life. First up, remember that unity is key. If you can't agree on the basics, like how to spend money, have kids, or divide chores, you might face bigger issues down the road. Secondly, always support each other's dreams. If you can't trust your partner with your aspirations, why should they trust you with yours? Thirdly, communication is essential. If you can't tell your partner something without fear of retribution or loss of respect in their eyes, why bother? Lastly, don't be afraid to express your wants and needs openly. If they won't listen or don't care about your feelings or happiness in the future, why should they? So there you have it. Folks, remember that open communication and support are crucial for any successful relationship. Thanks for watching this video on Ideal Couples Tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, take care and stay happy. Lady Juliet Blue Developers.